Hi, welcome to ToolSpecs. Not too long ago, I showed you how to install a Binize car stereo into this Toyota Rav4. Well, what I didn't show you, because I was showing you the plug and play function and how easy it was going to be to connect it, I didn't show you how to connect the built-in fan to it, because you actually have to cut off some wire. Well, I'm going to show you how to do this today. It's going to be going for lots of different model of those stereo. It's pretty much the same thing. You cannot use the plug that comes with it. So we're going to cut it off and I'll show you how to plug it in. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove this trim and remove that stereo in order to have access to this. Now, after the stereo is in, you have to kind of remove the stereo and the trim by rolling it together. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to grab our stereo at the top here. Perfect. So now that their stereo is out, our fan wire is this little wire here with the red and black wire. Well, red obviously is positive, black is negative. So for this, it's going to be fairly simple to find a negative wire. Usually you go to the main plug and you'll look for a black wire, and that's going to be the negative wire that you need to connect to. But for the positive wire, I got my power probe right here. I think I show you guys a little bit how the power probe work on a little short video. I'll make a longer video one time. This you can test for power, test for ground. You can also give power or give ground to a component. Now, what we want to do here is we don't want the fan to be on when the car is not running. So we want to find out a wire that will actually just be on with the ignition on. Well, usually your amp boost or antenna boost wire, which is a blue wire that's not really getting used or go anywhere unless you have your stereo upgraded for with amps and other things like that, and extra antenna and all this. So if it's not used, then you can use this. Usually this wire have no power going to it until you put the ignition on, and then I have a solid 12 volt, and usually it will stay on for about 30 seconds after you shut off the car. It's gonna be great because like this, you can have the fan running, and even if you have the car off, and it will still cool down your stereo in a hot summer day for another 30 seconds. So we're gonna test this wire. It says ground right now. This is why it shows the green light. If it was power, it would show a red light. So we're going to turn on the ignition right now and then see if our power goes to this wire. Yeah, so now we have 11.5 volt to this wire. And then if I turn off the ignition again, turn it off, we still have power. We're gonna see we should lose power as soon as the car shuts off in a couple seconds. Yeah, now we have grid ground, so we can connect to this blue wire here. So the blue wire comes from this plug on the side here, and this is the one that we're connecting to. That's going to give us 12 volt. And our black wire that we're going to connect to is actually not in use right now, but it's a ground that's coming from this plug right here, and it goes through this plug with the 2 green and then the 2 purple and the black wire in the center. That black wire is actually solid ground, and it stays ground. You can see there it's going into the center of the plug right here beside the purple wire. If I show you on the other side of the plug, there's white and red. There's nothing beside it. We're not using that port where that black wire goes through. So we can just disconnect the black wire here and connect that straight into our fan, and the red wire to our blue wire, and we'll be good to go. So we're just gonna get rid of this plug. So for this, I just use those kinds of connector here where you just push the tab in the center, you put your two wires in, you push the tab, and it actually splice around the casing of the wire and do the connection. So like that, we didn't have to cut anything or put tape all over. Same with the ground wire. Now we're just gonna go to the fan function. So here's our fan function right here. Press on here. So right now I have it always off, just so that you can hear it. I'm actually going to put the speaker beside it right here. It's really important to connect that fan because, you know, any electrical that will start overheating will slow down and can have damage, and it won't last as long. Hopefully that helped you with your install. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in this Binize stereo or the microphone that I'm using or any of the other gear that I'm using for the videos, then look it up in the description below.